Hello friends, in this video we will discuss very important topic of data warehousing and data mining, that is extract, transform and load. So this is very important topic from data warehouse point of view, and this process is actually used to construct the data warehouse. So the data from data warehouse coming from various sources, it can be RDBMS file, flat file, WordPad file, Notepad file, SQL Server file. So it can be any file and it can be unstructured data as well as structured data. Structured data means the data which is arranged in the form of rows and column. Unstructured data is not arranged in the form of rows and columns. It is arranged in the flat file. Uh, so the data is coming from various sources. So what happens in extract, transform and load? The data is extracted from various sources, then it is transformed into one unique format, and then it is converted into, or then it is loaded into data warehouse. So let us see, this is the input data. So there are a number of data. The data can be in various format. Now it is not directly loaded into data warehouse, it is put into some staging area. So this is known as data staging area. Now what is data staging? Data staging is a temporary storage where the data is stored, and then here the data can be in unique format, cannot be in unique format. So all the data is gathered, then it is converted into one unique format or one conventional format by transform process, and then it is loaded into the data warehouse. Now this is extraction part. Extraction part is very simple to extract the data from various sources. Data transformation, let us see what happens in data transformation. So in data transformation, there can be validation of the data. There should not be any null values. Then you can say there will be filtering of the data. Some data can be taken into consideration or cannot be taken into consideration. Some attributes which are not required can be removed or can be neglected. Then some attributes can be combined. So joining of the data, filtering of the data, splitting of some attributes can be done in data transformation. So data transformation is very important process from data warehouse, from this ETL point of view, and then it is loaded into the data warehouse. So this is how the extract, transform and loading works. So here the main area is staging area, where it is nothing but the temporary storage where the data is stored and then it is converted into one unique format. So this is about the ETL process. Now ETL process can be also pipeline. Means suppose the data received from some of the sources, then it is extracted, then it is in transform phase. So previous data is in transform phase, then new data arrive which is extracted, then it is into transform phase. So this data is loaded, this data is in transform phase, and then it is loaded. So this is how we can automate the process. So instead of sending the data in batch process, we can parallelly send the data from for extract, transform and load. So this is how ETL process work. Now you can ask what are the various several popular tools. So popular tool is Sybase is one of the popular ETL tools. Then Oracle Warehouse Builder is one of the popular tool. Then Flow ETL is also popular ETL tool for extract, transform and load. So this is about the ETL process. Now we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ETL process. So let me clean the board some part. So there are some advantages associated with ETL and there are some disadvantages too. So first of all, I will discuss advantages. Advantages of ETL. So first advantages is the data integrity, better data integrity. Since the data is coming from various sources, then it is converted into one unique format, so that facilitate us the better data integrity. Next is um, it better scalability means we can accommodate as much as data. Since the ETL process is pipeline, we can accommodate as much as data, so there is better scalability. Third one is better privacy. So what we can do at the time of constructing data warehouse, we can assign certain roles to various types of user. Not all user will access all the data. So in this way we can assure the better privacy of the data. Now disadvantages, let us discuss the disadvantages of ETL. First one is complexity. So gathering data from various sources is very easy, but converting them into one unique format, that is very difficult. So there will be complexity. Conversion of one format to another format, and conversion of all the different format into one unique format, require, or it may incur a lot of complexity. So that is one of the disadvantage. Then security of the data. Since the data is coming from various sources, we have to ensure that data should be secure, it should not be altered, or it should not be corrupted. So these are the two main disadvantages of ETL process, and these are the three best, or these are the advantages of ETL process. So I hope you understand the concept of ETL, why it is used and how it is, and how it works, and why it is so much important in data warehouse. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.